Hey guys, it's Itsmeabae. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made a protein treatment for my 4C low porosity natural hair.
I'm coming from, looking back at where the journey began. I really have to say that
my hair has been really dry. I had it in knotless box braids, then I took that out and I did some twists, then I did a twist out and left that for 2 weeks. Now Trinidad has been really hot lately and my hair did not like the temperature, did not like the climate, and it was super duper dry. So it definitely needed some TLC and I gave just that to my hair. So if you want to see this recipe and see what I do, keep watching. By the way, this is my hair a week after, well less than a week after of doing the protein treatment. It's very soft, very shiny. I only literally moisturize my hair once a week so far. So my hair is really doing well. I have a thing where I do not like to use metal to mix anything for my hair. So I have a metal spoon, a plastic spoon, 1 egg, peppermint oil, castor oil, you can use any oils that you want actually, olive oil and mayonnaise. I'm using the metal spoon to take all the mayonnaise of course, and well the plastic spoon to mix. I'm going to start off by using 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. It doesn't really matter what order or step you add the ingredients, it's all going to be mixed up into one mixture. So I added my 1 egg, 10 drops of peppermint oil. You can use less if you'd like. You can use other essential oils. If you're going to use other essential oils, you should use less than 10 drops per essential oil. You could use rosemary, tea tree, anything, right? I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of black Jamaican black castor oil and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Yes, this is me mixing in real time. I did not speed up this video, so I recommend that you would apply this to your hair and steam for about a half an hour to an hour. I steamed for an hour using my own body heat, and when you're rinsing, you need to rinse with cold water. You don't use warm or hot water because the water will cook the egg and you may have or will have pieces of cooked egg in your coils, and I'm pretty sure you don't want that. Always after doing a protein treatment, don't forget to do a deep conditioning treatment to seal in what you've done basically to your hair with the protein treatment. That's it, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share. Again, if you made it to the end of my video, leave a pink card down in my comments below. See you guys next time. Bye.